YouTube, welcome back to Air Fryer Tuesdays where we cook frozen food in the air fryer. So let's go right to the air fryer. Please subscribe and hit like. Before we go to the air fryer, we want to take them out of the box and you're going to want to take these out and place them in the air fryer basket. Alright YouTube, so you want to put the White Castles in there. With my air fryer, you can only do 4 at a time. And let's go right to the air fryer. Alright YouTube, these are not going to take long because they're small and they were defrosted for like an hour. Push it in, 310 at 2 minutes, see you at the plate to eat. And there you have it YouTube, you can see the cheese, the burger, and look at this. That nice cheese. That is good. Please subscribe, hit the bell. Air Fryer Tuesdays, talk to you later.